what if you could put the manufacturing power of an automotive plant on your desktop at your home? We redesign a metal part and a FDM part. Both parts can be printed at your home by downloading a file from our platform. Did you know that spare parts supply experience massive costs with storage and logistics? This is a $378 billion global opportunity. I Print These Spares is an e-commerce marketplace for 3D printed car parts that will enable original equipment manufacturers and original design manufacturers brands to sell under license 3D design files and connect with additive manufacturers to produce physical products on demand and on location.